In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear outer brake hose on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the rear wheel. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely, wheels off the ground. You want to take these 19mm lug bolts off. These are not lug nuts, they are a bolt. You just want to put this one back in so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take all the rest of them off. Hold your wheel, take that last one out. After raising the vehicle and locating your brake hose, you're going to have to remove this plastic shield. It is held on by three 15mm bolts, one here, one here, and a third one here. You can take this plastic piece, just fold it out of the way. After you located your brake hose, after you removed your cover, you want to disconnect your electronic e-brake wiring, get that out of the way. Same thing with your ABS speed sensor. Get that out of the way. Start off at this nut here, which is an 11mm. Loosen that up. Remove that. Take your pliers, put your clip, pull it towards you. Remove your line from this bracket. Come up top, which is a 12mm. Loosen that up. Same style clip, just you want to pull down on this one. Pull your line out, and there's your line. Take your line, slide it in. This is grooved. It can only go in one way. You want it to come past this bracket so you can put your C-clip on, like that. Start your line. Give that a snug. Go up to your top. Same thing. There's a groove that only goes in one way, all the way into the bracket. So you can put your C-clamp on. Like that. Take your line. Start it by hand. Give that a snug. Now reinstall your brake ABS sensor. Wiring and its holders. Like that. And now your electronic e-brake wiring into their holders. Now you install your cover back under. take your little black plug off your bleeder. This is an 11mm bleeder screw. Open that up. You want to turn it to the left. Just open that up and then wait for your fluid to start to drip out. And then once it starts dripping out, you tighten that bleeder. Put your black cap back on. After you do your gravity bleed, you want to hop in that driver's seat, pump that brake up. If it feels a little spongy, you're going to have to do a full hydraulic bleed. And here reinstall. Line up your holes. Get your lug bolt in. You want to do this by hand so you don't cross thread. And snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. After you raised your hood, here's your engine compartment. In front of your battery is going to be your master cylinder. I want to pop that cap off, put it off to the side. And you want to draw some of the old brake fluid out of that master cylinder reservoir. After removing old fluid, you want to fill your reservoir with clean fluid. Keep in mind you're going to have somebody sit in the vehicle, pump the brake up while you're doing this bleeding procedure. And you're starting at the left rear wheel. Come to your bleeder, take your cap off. Have your friend pump the brake up at least 4 or 5 times. As he's holding, you want to open up your bleeder. This is an 11mm bleeder screw. As soon as his foot hits the floor, he's going to say floor. You tighten up your bleeder. And you want to repeat this process until all the air is out of this caliper. Tighten up your bleeder. Put your cover back on. Now you're going to repeat this at the right front wheel. Remove your bleeder. Have your friend pump it up. Tighten your brake bleeder. Have your friend pump it up again. He's holding. Open up your brake bleeder. And one more time. Tighten up your bleeder. Pop your cap back on. Now you want to check your reservoir and top that off with fluid. Fill your master cylinder. After you top off your fluid at your master cylinder, you want to continue over to the right rear wheel, bleed that caliper, and then finish coming to the left front wheel, bleeding that caliper. Now after you bleed your left front wheel, top off your fluid. Put your cap back on. Make sure your surface is clean. Make sure that there's no leaks. Put your wheels on. Torque your lug nuts at 100 foot-pounds. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.